If you've been looking for a simple way to manage tasks without switching between multiple tabs or tools, this video will show you how to seamlessly integrate Google Sheets with Google Tasks. This setup helps you stay focused, stay organized, and keep all your important reminders right next to the spreadsheet you're working on. It's a great solution for anyone who handles projects, tracks daily routines, or manages work directly inside Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets in your browser. You can select an existing spreadsheet or create a new one depending on what you need. Since Google Sheets is part of the Google Workspace suite, everything works smoothly and you don't need to install anything extra. Once the sheet is open, look at the panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see a small checkmark icon, which represents Google Tasks. This icon is your gateway to building and organizing tasks directly inside Sheets. Go ahead and click on the checkmark. The Google Tasks sidebar will slide open on the right. This panel is extremely useful because it keeps your tasks visible without blocking the spreadsheet. You can continue working while also keeping track of deadlines, notes, or quick reminders you don't want to forget. Now let's create a task inside the sidebar. Click on Add a Task. You'll see a space where you can type the task title. Make this title short but meaningful so it's easy to recognize later. After that, you'll find a space for additional details. This section is great for anything extra you want to remember, such as steps you need to follow, important notes, or helpful reminders. Adding more detail now saves time later when you're reviewing your task list. Once your task details are added, you can assign a date or time by selecting the calendar icon. Setting a date helps keep everything in order and ensures that Google Tasks can remind you when it's time to focus on that item. Whether it's a deadline or a simple daily reminder, scheduling tasks makes it easier to stay on track throughout the week. Click Done when you're finished, and your task will be saved instantly. One great thing about this integration is that Google Tasks is always synced. Any task you create in Sheets also appears across your other devices, including the Google Tasks website and the Google Tasks app. This means your workflow stays connected no matter where you go. Google Tasks also lets you create multiple task lists. This is especially helpful if you want to separate your responsibilities. You might keep one list for work, another for personal tasks, and another for ongoing projects. Switching between lists only takes a moment, and it keeps your workspace clean and organized. Using Google Tasks inside Sheets is a great way to bring structure to your daily routine. You can break bigger tasks into smaller, manageable pieces and update your progress while working directly with your data. This helps reduce distractions and keeps everything you need in one place, and that's all it takes to integrate Google Sheets with Google Tasks. With this setup, you can manage your to-dos without ever leaving your spreadsheet, helping you stay productive, focused, and organized. I hope this tutorial makes your workflow easier and helps you get more done every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.